Year 10 Trigonometry Exam Practice Question 21. A boat leaves port and sails due west for 10 kilometers. So to start off, I am going to just draw my compass. Never eat soggy wheat beaks. Okay, on my compass, I'll change colors now. It says that we went west 10 kilometers. So I'm just drawing this first part. And I'll do that in black. I'll put that information on because it's important that we put our information on as we are going. The next step, it says that it then sails 6 kilometers southwest. So again, I'm going to draw my compass. And the reason why is because it's really important for us to be able to see it all. So if I'm thinking about it's going southwest, it's directly between the south and the west mark. And that is 6 kilometers. Then it says, then they return directly to the port. So that means I can join both of those together. So it asks us to use the cosine rule. Now, it might not be clear, but we do have three elements. We've got two sides and one angle. That's because we know this part here is 90 degrees, and then this part over here is the halfway mark of 90, which is 45. So that gives me an angle in that corner there of 135. So that is my angle. So that helps us because we've got all three elements now. So I'll just move our diagram over. So now we need to use the cosine rule. And the cosine rule is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. Now we have our angle A, so that means I'm just going to make this my angle A, then this can be my B, and this can be my C. So now we just need to put our information in. Just remember, the sides opposite the angle is the lowercase a side, so 6 must be B side, and 10 is the C side. So A, I don't know yet, so it's a squared, is equal to B squared, which is 6 squared, 6 squared, plus C, which is 10, so 10 squared, minus 2 times my B, which is 6, times C, which is 10, times cosine 135 degrees. So now the next step is we want to simplify this. So a squared, we still don't know. But we know 6 squared is 36 and 10 squared is 100. That gives me 136 there. Minus 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 10 is 120. So we've got 120 cosine 135 degrees. Now I'm just going to put this into a calculator and solve it. And that is going to give me a squared is equal to 220.85. The next step is to get a by itself. To get a by itself, we need to square root. If we square root both sides, I'm left with 14.86 as my A length.